The Shanti Bill, Sustainable Harnessing and Advancement of Nuclear Energy for Transforming India, is a landmark Indian law passed in December 2025, replacing older acts to open India's civil nuclear sector to private players, allowing them to build and operate plants under strict regulation while retaining core sensitive activities like uranium mining with the government. It aims to boost clean energy, energy security, and innovation by modernizing governance and liability frameworks for India's nuclear future. Key aspects of the Shanti Bill 2025. Private participation allows private companies, joint ventures, and entities to participate in nuclear plant operations, a major shift from past state monopolies. Modernized framework replaces the Atomic Energy Act 1962 and Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act 2010. Core activities reserved: uranium or thorium mining, enrichment, reprocessing, and heavy water production remain solely with the government. Graded liability introduces a tiered liability structure for operators, balancing investor confidence with public safety. Goals: accelerate clean energy, meet clean energy targets like 100 gigawatts nuclear by 2047, and promote energy self reliance. Status: passed by Parliament during the winter session of 2025, received presidential assent in December 2025, officially becoming law. Impact: aims to overcome previous hurdles in civil nuclear growth, seen as crucial for India's clean energy transition and innovation.